That's your oatmeal? Do you like it? Say good morning, eating some breakfast. Yum yum. That's good, huh, baby? That's good. Whoa, 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 whoa. Do you like it? Is that good? Someone found their feet and will not let them go. She's been holding her feet every time she sits. You like your feet? You found them? You sticking your tongue out? Say hello. Say hello. Hi, Mama. Happy Monday. Where's Leah? Kaylee, where's Leah? Yeah, she at school? Where's Leah? Leah? You bounce yourself and just relax? Excuse me, baby. You're supposed to be taking a nap. What are you doing? What are you doing? Excuse me, ma'am? You're supposed to be sleeping. You're supposed to be sleeping. Hi, Mama. Are you gonna take a little nap? You little silly. I'm gonna take off this bed. Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. Are you gonna take a nap? Or are you just gonna lay here and relax? What happened? Kaylee, excuse you! Excuse you! Hi everyone! Just wanted to say, hope everyone had a nice weekend. Happy Monday, and yeah, we're just hanging out. Just Kaylee and I, because of course Leah is at school. She was so excited to see her friends because she said it's been too many days and she missed them so much. So yeah, she's excited to be at school. It's time to go pick up Leah, and she's knocked out. I don't want to move her. Sucks. Knocked out. I gotta go from that to there. Oh, I don't want to do this. Get that straight. Did I wake you? I'm sorry. We're gonna pick up sister. We're gonna pick up Leah. Let's go pick up sister. Let's go pick her up. You look so big already for your car seat. Only 4 months. Why are you so big? Let's go pick up sister. Kaylee, are you happy to have your sister back from school? Are you so happy? Talk to her, Leah. Leah?
I was sleeping.
You were sleeping. You're taking a nap?
I was.
Are you so happy to have sister back? Yeah? Did you miss her? You did? What are you doing? Are you pooping again? You're a little stinker. Cool bag. What does your shirt say, babe? I'm the best big sister. Are you? You are? You gotta pull your shirt down. I can see your whole belly. What are you doing? Careful. What are you doing? Daisy girl, what are you doing?
Thanks, Squirt. I'm making a fresh fruitcake for dinner tonight.
Oh, I'd like to, Sparky, but I don't really know.
Hey guys. Let me do something. I'm getting books and I was trying to take a nap while I was eating.
You were eating and taking a nap at the same time?
And thinking, so, and then her stopped pooping when I woke up.
She started burping and you woke up? Sorry.
As a kid. Wait.
Oh, sorry.
And guys, tell me in the comments, what do you know is about ace? What the number ace?
Oh, you want people to tell you different words that start with the letter A?
Yeah.
Okay.
For I can say in the comments, but what do you say? Make a video and do it also for me. Cause you will know the letter ace. You went to school and the teacher taught you what is it, and you won't remember.
What do you know? What letters? What starts with the letter A?
I never told you before. You guys stay in the comments. Which one do it? Well,
Okay, got it. Is that it?
Yeah.
All right. And you, what are you doing? You want to roll back over?
Oh, guys, wait.
Whoop!
Hey, guys. Guys. We have you guys.
Look who's on TV.
Hello.
Who is it?
Mom Milken. Mom Milken, who is?
Who is it?
A big Shelton.
Blake Shelton. You like Blake Shelton?
Guys. Hey, guys.
What's your favorite kind of music?
You find a big Shelton and push yourself line.
Luke Bryan, Blake Shelton, and Florida Georgia Line? Hi. Is that toy just delicious? Oh my god. Oh, hello, ma'am. Your hair is crazy today. Look. You're looking at it like, what the heck? You gonna get tired soon? Hi, babe. Whoa, everything's going in your mouth.
light sprinkles coming down. That is light green down around the Long Beach area. Some very light precipitation coming in from Torrance. All of this moving from the southwest to the northeast. If you're doing what around Norwalk, you can get a little light sprinkle. I don't see anything heavy for Southern California. Then, when we look at that flash flood watch area, you can see Vegas is in it. That's the green, and then the red, the deep red, that's the flash flood warning. That's why I was talking about our friends over there in the Vortex City. This is a tropical storm. But everything west of Daggett down through the southwest, we're not in anything tonight. So just some humidity for Southern California.
Hey guys, so it's dinner time now, and I didn't really have anything planned for dinner, so I kind of just winged it, I guess. Making something that both Joey and Leah really enjoy eating, so it's just pasta and some ground beef and a Parmesan sauce. Pretty simple. That's that. And then I did some zucchini with olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Just put those in the oven and let them get crunchy. And then voila, that's my dinner. Easy. I'll have leftovers so that tomorrow when Joey gets home from his first job onto his second job, he'll be able to eat some leftovers, and then yeah, that'll be his lunch. So that's for dinner.